Electricity and magnetism.
What is electricity? Electricity is a physical phenomenon associated with the presence and motion of particles that have an electrical charge. Such examples are lights and the TV. These devices are known as electronical devices. Electronics comprises of physics, engineering, technology, and application that deal with the emission, flow of electrons in vacuum and matter. These electrical devices convert electrical energy to mechanical energy that allow the aforementioned devices to move or power on.
Magnetism is a class of phenomena that are mediated by magnetic fields.
We are going to act about magnetism. The boy represents us the positive side and the girl represents us the negative side.
Baby, wag ka nang mag-alinlangan pa. Alam mo naman talaga na kailangan ka. Ang katulad mo ay matagal kong hinahanap at gusto kong makita, yeah. Gusto kong makita isang dalagang Pilipina, yeah. Dalagang Pilipina, yeah. Isang dalagang Pilipina. Dalagang Pilipina, yeah. Isang dalagang Pilipina.
Apa ni man baby? Susah.
Na 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 na.
Whoa.
Na 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 na.
Naniniwala na ako sa forever, magmula nung nakilala kita.
Eh kaya nga di ako sumure.
The neck represents us the repulsion of the magnet because the boy represents the negative side. So just watch and enjoy.
Pare, mahal mo raw ako. Yan ang sabi mo raw nang minsan ay malasing tayo. Hindi kita sinisisi, galit ay wala ako. Pare, pag-usapan natin to. Pare, ako raw ang iyong gusto. Yan ba ang lihim na sa
Yeah.